how are you guys? Now today we're going to break down a song called Havana. It's a very popular song at the moment. It's on the radio constantly and I'm sick of hearing it, but it's a great song to learn a new type of strumming. So the three chords you'll need to know for this song are E minor, C major and B7, okay? Now I'm going to bring them all up on the screen. I'm going to walk you through it, but the most important part of this song is the strumming, so that's what we're going to be concentrating a lot on today. So let's begin. Quickly, E minor, C major and B7. Now B7 is a four-fingered chord. It's a little difficult. Have a good look at the diagram, take your time and work it all out, and practice changing from C to B7 and E minor to C, because this is your whole progression: E minor, C and B7. But I want to fill the strumming up a little bit, so I'm going to break it down as simple as I can, and you've got to practice it enough till you get it automatic and it flows and it's comfortable for you, okay, and give it your own sort of a twist. But to break it down as simple as possible, follow the down, down, up strokes that I'll add on the bottom of the screen and play along with me. So for the E minor, it's simply down, down, up. Now during that up stroke, you can take your fingers off and use that fraction of time to get to your C chord. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down. So the C chord gets a down, up, down. So it's down, down, up, change, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay? So that's the first part. You need to get that part first. So I'll slow it down and I'll play it again. Down, down, up, change, down, up, down. Okay, so all together. Down, down, up, down, up, down. So that's the first part you need to get. The E minor gets a down, down, up, and the C major gets a down, up, down. So all together. Okay, now from that end part of the C, you need to get to your B7. Now, it's a quick change, so you need to get that B7 on there, and the strumming is up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, it's very different to the first two parts we had, so it's up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, it's written down there. I'll break it into pieces and sections so you can do it, but the feel, you'll have to play along with me like I played at the start of the video. Okay, another thing I'd like to show you now is a strumming technique that you can add to change a bit of the sound of this strumming. So the strumming, as we know, I'll just grab a pick, is down, down, up. Now I'm going to add a little different sound here. You might notice this. I'll play it. Okay, that little flick sound that you hear in a couple of the strums, all I'm doing is I'm muting all the strings by slamming my hand, well not slamming it, but just hitting my hand on the strings to mute them all at the same time, and I add the little flick in there with that, and that gives me that sound. So it's so I'm on the B7 chord at the moment, and it's the up, up, down, up, down, up. That strumming part, the last part, so it's now my down strums, I still do them, but I mute the strings, so and even hit the guitar with the pick, and it gives me some percussive sound, so it gives it a little bit more of an interesting sound. Now the more you practice this, the better you'll get at it, and you can add them into different places where you feel they fit in. So okay, so get some creativity going, but it's just an idea for you, so I thought I'd throw that in there, and maybe you'd like to give it a go if it's something you like the sound of. Okay guys, so that was Havana. Hope you enjoyed that. It's quite a simple song with three simple chords with a different type of strumming, and it's something different to give it a go. So give it a go with the slapping and the picking technique. That's something interesting, and you can add to it and try and throw it in different places. But most importantly, work on your feel. So although you are counting the down, down, up strumming at the moment, the more you play it, the more you'll be inclined to have a go at just throwing in your own feel. So tap your foot, move your body at the same time, okay? And that'll help you feel the music and, you know, take a bit of a gamble and throw something different in there. Come up with your own ideas. Just some ideas I'll throw at you. But anyway, get out there and practice it. Repetition is the key. There's no tricks involved. Just keep going over and over again what we went through today, and enjoy yourself. That's the most important thing. If you like my lessons, please subscribe. I'll upload new content as often as possible. And if you would like to email me, and maybe I could break down a song that you might like, feel free. If I find the time, I'll definitely do it for you. Okay, all the best. Keep up the good work. Stay tuned. See you at the next one.